Thanks for breaking into our regularly scheduled programming, but we have some breaking news to bring to you right now.
Residents of Mustapha Sobola Street in College Road area of Lagos State have lamented on the deplorable state of their roads in the area and its attendant hardship on the people. They have complained bitterly that the roads is affecting their businesses and livelihood in different ways. Pen Radio visited the area recently. From Mustapha Sobola Street to Bishop Huge Gate, the roads were dotted with wide and deep potholes. The state of the roads has become a serious challenge for motorists, motorcyclists, and residents. Anytime it rains, the road is usually flooded, making them difficult for cars, buses, and motorcycles to ply. Some of the residents of Mustapha Sobola Street cannot walk on normal ground but use planks to construct a small bridge down to their doorstep before they can access their homes. Therefore, the residents are appealing to the government to come to their aid and fix the road and give them a better life. This is what the residents of Mustapha Sobola have to say.
As a matter of fact, the road is bad. Let's be frank, the road is really bad. We need the road to be tarred. Though it's not affecting my business, because my customers, they always come. It's not affecting my business. But those that are applying this route with their vehicles, they have a problem because the road damages their vehicle. I'm appealing with the government, maybe the local government, maybe the Lagos State government. They should please come and tar Mustapha Sobola.
All around deplorable. It affects every facet of business on this street. It is affecting me and it is affecting my business. So the nature of the road is too bad. Government should think of what to do with it, to do on this road.
I am Ganiyu reporting for Pen Radio TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content. See you next time.